Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mukus, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm so happy. I'll be adopting a kitten and I am very excited about it. But there's a problem because I'm low-key skeptical about it because like living with a kitten in a bed sitter, and how am I going to train it on how to be using the toilet, guys. But I'm going to take that kitten. I'm not going to backslide. I've decided. So meet Puppy. I call him Puppy. Alikuwa amelala, that's why it looks like that. I'm so excited to start this new life with Puppy Curious. I hope we get along. I hope he comes to love me. But I know I'm lovable and it will definitely love me. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Muku. So today to go attachment.
I was waiting till the sky was falling, held my breath till every single star had aligned. On my mind, I never saw it coming. Didn't think you wake me with a kiss like this. Waiting till the sky was falling, held my breath till every single star had aligned. On my mind, I never saw it coming. Didn't think